So this here, this is what I would consider a model answer when somebody like me asks you in an interview, what is cross-validation? Right? It's the process the algorithm goes through in order to learn from the training data and create a model that can be used to predict future instances. That's what cross-validation is. Or you could say the same thing for resampling, right? That's what resampling is. There's different ways to pick the data, whether you're using k-folds or leave one out, but this is what cross-validation is. So don't confuse the two, because again, when I ask this, people give me a k-folds definition. But this is what cross-validation is, right? It's data science, right? It's one of the fundamental building blocks of data science. And here's another definition I've also used. It's like when you were in school and the answer's in the back of the math book, right? What do? You go through the problem, you try your best, you apply what your teacher told you, and then you go in the back and say, oh yeah, I got it right, or oh no, it went terrible, here's where I went wrong. Is that not cross-validation? Is that not what we just talked about? Right? The data. You tried your best to solve the data, to solve that problem. How did you do? You go and check the answers in the back of the book and you say, yeah, I did good, right? The process I just followed, the model I just created in my head for that math problem, it worked. I'm going to continue doing that because it worked. Or no, I did terrible. I need to fix my process. I need to adjust something, right? That's cross-validation.